I'm a D and I'm singing the cover of Bruno Mars. You Can Count on Me. Oh, listen. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself finding yourself, finding yourself, finding yourself, you can count on me. Like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I'm not doing this one for YouTube, cause I'm black and white. I see the light of Jesus. And I need YouTube for myself. This is Abby 2. This is Flabby Cool. And I'll be there.
Didi, you got some issues, mama.
This is the issue of the 3 coming at me like 4 she. I might be black, but I'm a rapper. Maybe stupid. This is Monica. I am a chica. Yeah, my tika. I am 12. Looking at me like you got 12. Now peace, cause I'm done with this and out of here, cause I'm doing another one. And I'll be back. I'm just like Kevin Hart, nigga. I'm just like Kevin Hart, nigga. Now bye.